grass. I don't even feel like it. There.
We should be Peach.
We should be Peach and Daisy.
Do it!
Hi, I'm Daisy.
No.
This is just gonna make me want to kill myself. I swear.
Oh, let's do that. What? I got the boost. What happened?
Her skirt was all like, woo! I got the grass.
Upskirt. She would.
Yeah.
She's
Oh!
Little whore.
Oh!
You guys
that
just
she's like, woo!
attacked
Oh, I'm
We're in
sorry.
second!
Oh my god!
That
Whoa!
happened.
Oh, I see first player. We're gaining on you.
Yeah.
No! Change up!
Cool story, bro.
I just want to pass those so I can go like, hey, I'm Daisy.
Get out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Ah! What the heck? Where'd you come from? It's got it set!
What just happened?
I don't even
We
know.
went from second to sixth.
Oh my god!
Second!
Oh, I'm angry.
They're outside. Yeah.
And we are back.
Look at the bottom of the screen.
Me too. Wait, that's my screen.
Yeah. Ah! We're in
I
the
was
grass
just
too.
about to get a stupid item.
Gigi's coming.
No.
Gigi is what?
Coming.
Alright.
No! You! This is why I hate being Daisy and Peach.
How do I get second?
Gigi, get off!
Gigi,
I'm
stop
scared.
getting annoying.
Daisy, you whore.
Why is Bowser just so fast? I'm gonna kill
Why
Bowser.
is he so fast?
Kill him with fire! Kill you,
Oh, good
Gigi.
deal.
Gigi, don't lick my hand while I'm playing Mario Kart. Flippity doodah!
Flippity day! F, mother!
I just
Oh
saw
my
that. They like hit you behind a tree.
Yeah. Yeah, and like I was pressing that entire time, but it wouldn't work for some reason.
Baby Ouija.
Oh, no.
I was watching you guys. I got a flippity
Hey, we're in
doodah.
third!
Holy crap!
I'm in 8th.
We're gonna win!
I think we do best when we don't pay attention.
Yeah. Whoa, second!
Oh my god!
Hit. Yeah, I feel
Yeah.
accomplished.
Yeah, it's just like, oh! You're lucky we got that.
I like dodged it somehow. Oh
I
my
love
God.
drifting. Woo! We're in second! Oh, what the heck? Did you see that? Did you see that? How?
I don't even know. How did I steal these people's green shells?
How did we get an 8?
How did that even happen? You guys got like pushed like a mile back.
We were. See that?
Dang it. I just like
First!
I hit all the buttons when I see a red shell coming at me.
That was probably Katie's red shell.
Yeah. Oh my god, first! Is that first?
Yeah!
Oh my
third.
god.
Hate life.
Oh my god, Kenny's cutting his fro.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Is he gonna get shaved?
Repeatedly. I swear to God, if you attack my face while I'm playing Mario Kart, I'm gonna punch you in yours.
Cut your face.
I'll cut your face. Third, second. Oh, Bowser, you bitch!
No.
That's what
Where
you
is
get
him?
when you let your heart first heart win.
Oh! How did that happen?
When did we get in first? Hell yeah!
No! I hate Bowser! Gonna kill Bowser!
Dinkelberg! Move, bitch! Get out of the way!
Is that Donkey Kong? Freaking Donkey Kong!
I'm throwing. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Tornado! We both got a tornado.
Shit, fuck.
I hate life.
Get out of here, Diddy Kong! What are you doing?
GTFO! Waving your ass in the air. Jeez.
Kill
Okay.
peeps with. Oh
Oh my God!
Get out of the way! You okay? You mad?
Like, you mad, bro?
You mad, bro?
Brutal! She just said brutal.
That's the best word she'll ever say.